Hello friends, welcome to the Mivan Technologies. In this video, I am here to explain how to connect, how to test and how to pair Mivan Technologies single phase wireless water level controller. This is heavy duty wireless receiver and this is heavy duty wireless transmitter. You don't need to extend the wire between those two units. This unit will be fitted with the motor and this will with the upper tank. It is suitable up to 3 HP single phase motor. This model automatically switches on and off the motor. This model comes with 6 numbers of sensors. You need to put a 3 sensor in overhead tank and 3 sensor in an underground tank. If you do not have an underground tank, then you need to short a C, UL and UH terminals together like this. When the water level of the overhead tank becomes low, means water get down from the middle sensor and water is present in the underground tank or sump, the transmitter will send a message to a receiver to start the motor and the motor gets start automatically. The tank start filling up. When the water level reaches to the higher level, the motor automatically get switch off. Auto off when the tank is full or sump is empty. This model having a dry run protection and the overload protection. This model have a two type of the dry run protection. One is a sensor based dry running protection and other is a current based dry running protection. You can adjust the dry running current by this port and you can also adjust the overload protection by this port. Generally, the overload current value will be a 25% higher from the load value and dry run current value will be a 25% lower than the load value. If you do not want to use a current based dry run protection, then set the dry run to the 0. Then the current based dry run protection has been bypassed. In this model, auto and manual mode switch is available. In auto mode, this device will work based on the water level of the tank. In manual mode, user can start the motor by pressing the start button of the controller and stop the button by pressing the stop button of the controller. This model is also suitable for MCB starter panel and submersible motor. In this device, a sensor fault detection provided. If sensor got fail, the LED start blinking. Electrolysis free circuit design provided that improve the life of the sensors. The link has been provided to buy our products and product parts. You are welcome to purchase them directly from our website. In all over the world, we have gained the trust of 1 million plus customers. Additionally, our products are exported to more than 22 countries on a regular basis. Now I'll show you how to connect the device. These are input terminals. These are output terminals. These both are a pair key to pair the device. You don't need to be pair. By default, we are giving both the device in a pair condition. But if you want to replace the transmitter or if you want to replace the receiver with another one, then you can pair both the device by these two pairing key. You don't need to do a pairing otherwise. These are a start and stop button to start and stop the motor in a manual mode. This is a auto manual key. This is a power indication. These are a tank level indication, underground tank level indication. These are overload port to set the overload current. This is a dry running port to set the dry running current. This is OL indication. If motor get overload, then you can see the OL indication. If motor get dry, you can see the dry indication. In the transmitter side, These are a tank level indications of upper tank. This is a alarm indication. Alarm comes in a two condition. If the transmitter is not in the range with the receiver, then the ALM indication comes. But if the ALM indication comes with buzzer, that means the transmitter and receiver will not in the range. If buzzer is not sounding and the ALM indication comes, means the tank level of the overhead tank becomes down from the OL level, from the middle sensor. Then also the ALM indication comes. At input terminal, you need to connect a 230 volt supply and connect a power cable. At output terminal, you need to connect a motor, but for testing purpose I am connecting a bulb. At the sensors terminal, you need to connect a sensors wire, but for testing purpose I am connecting a 3 wire at a receiver and 3 wire at the transmitter. Now I'll show you how to test the device. In this device, I have connected a 230 supply at input terminal and connected a phase and neutral. At output terminal, apart from motor, I have connected a bulb. In the transmitter side, I have given a supply, phase and neutral, and connected a 3 piece of small wire apart from sensors. At here, in the receiver side, apart from sensor, I have connected a 3 piece of small wire. Let's test the device. First, switch on both the device. The device has been started. First, test the device in a manual mode. To test the device in a manual mode, put the device in a manual mode and press the start button. When you press the start button, the motor should start. Here I have connected a bulb, so bulb is starting. Press the stop button, the motor should stop. If it is work, then unit working fine in a manual mode. Now let's test the device in a auto mode. To test the device in a auto mode, first put the device in a auto mode. Short the terminal, common and UL. When you short this terminal, here you can get a UL indication and bulbs remain in a off condition. Now short common and UL to UH terminal. When you short a common to UL and UH terminal, you can see a UL and UH indication. Also, the bulb should start and you can see the on indications. Now, from the transmitter side, short a common to OL terminal. When you short common to OL terminal, you can see a OL indication here and the alarm light will start blinking. If the alarm light will start blinking, means the level of the tank becomes at the OL sensor. Now short common OL and OH together from the transmitter unit. When you short it, the bulb should stop, the on indication goes and the alarm indication gets steady, and in the transmitter side you can get the OL and OH indication. So if the alarm light is blinking, means the tank is half filled, means the level of the tank at the OL sensor. If the alarm light goes steady means the upper tank will pull. If it is work like that, then unit is working fine in a auto mode. Now I'll show you how to pair the device. First, switch on both the device. How can you check whether it is in the pair or not? Short common to OL terminal. Here you can see the OL indication, but the ALM light is not blinking, and you can hear the buzzer. It means these two devices are not paired. Now I'll show you how to pair these two devices. Switch off both the devices. Press the pair key on both the device and switch on both the device at a time. You can see these two indication and these two indication, and just release both the pair key. Wait for some time. After that, press the pair key from transmitter. This device, this LEDs goes off. Also press the pair key from receiver. The lights goes off. Now the device has been paired successfully. Just check by shorting the common wire to OL wire. Here you can see the OL indication, and the alarm light is also blinking. Alarm light is also blinking, means these two devices are in the pair. You can also check it by shorting this 3 terminal. These two indications comes. ALM is blinking, means the upper tank is half filled. Just remove the wire. The upper tank is empty and the motor should start. Now short these two terminal, common and OL. The OL light comes, bulb remain on. Short all three together. Bulb should stop, OH light comes, and ALM gets steady. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt about wiring, testing or installation, drop your question in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next video.